Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. Well, we got some volatility we can actually talk about in the last 24 hours, last night as well, and just in general, I wanted to go over some fundamentals and also some economics. But most of you know, like I also said on Sunday, that we're not expecting any big economic events until like tomorrow. There's a little bit of an event. I doubt that will make the market move a lot. And then Thursday we have some economic events. But what we are seeing is a very strong dollar strength index, which got some sort of a bullish breakout right here, probably. And that means more bearish momentum for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is testing that 25,600 support level again, which, according to my analysis, is really the last support area. All right, so we'll talk about whether it will break through, whether it's possible to get some recovery from here, because frankly, both are really possible. But that is something we'll talk about. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. You gain access to a chat room full of traders, very valuable, and to my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, I'm also developing a new strategy right now in there, which you will gain access to, and you gain access to a document so you can see the progress on that. If you're interested, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comments. But for now, onto Bitcoin. So to refresh your mind, the current situation for Bitcoin is that it's stuck between 25,600 and 26,400. All right, and it's moving in that range a little bit, even though there's a lot of bearish confirmation by, for example, Bitcoin respecting the 28 EMA here, but also because of the fundamentals. I mean, a strong dollar strength index, even though it's nearing some resistance levels, as you can see right here, is bad for Bitcoin. And I do think that the dollar strength index, at least for the next 24 hours, will remain bullish. And then apart from that, I mean, there's also still quite a lot of FUD, I would say, or at least like fear around Binance. Now, I must say, I'm not that guy that will say that Binance is completely bad, all right? I wouldn't say that Binance is selling Bitcoin to keep up BNB. I don't think so, but I do think there are problems at Binance. Obviously, it's a bear market, so they will have problems. And Binance having problems means problems for the entire crypto market. All right, so it's definitely it's not bullish at this point of time. Now, does that necessarily mean that we'll drop down to 25,000 and 24,600, our next support? Probably. It is what I expect. Now, we haven't really gotten any big volatility over the last 24 hours, this beginning of the week. So I still expect that. Like, if you compare the volume, you can see that usually on Tuesday, even though here we also got some big news, but usually on Tuesday, volatility will kick in. And I also expect that for Bitcoin. So even though I think this move is ultimately the most likely scenario, today I still think there's at least a possibility of some recovery if Bitcoin for some reason is able to break above 25,800. If that's possible, I think it will get to those 26,000, 26,200 levels. But I see absolutely no reason why the main resistance between 26,200 and 26,400 would break. All right, so in the best case scenario, that we will get some bullish momentum today due to the beginning of the week, which just can go both ways. That's the reality of it. I don't think that will break the range, and I think ultimately the most likely breakout out of the range is still bearish. All right. So that's my thoughts. Hasn't changed that much, but I did want to include some of my thoughts on the economic situation and Binance. So for now, if you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.